Let's look at how the next deformation works. We'll be creating a torch for an example. Now, add a new cylinder on the workspace. Lower the number of vertical segments until a pentagon is created. And since the deformation works with a segmented mesh, add horizontal segments. Confirm the creation of this object. Move the object using the tool Move. This object will be used for creating a torch. The next two deformations will help you with that. Let's first use taper. Open the tab Deform and choose Taper. Taper adds a pointer to the object, which deforms the geometry of the object as a trapeze by narrowing or reducing its size relative to the anchor points. Let's look at the settings panel of this tool. We can deform the object by putting a numeric value in the index input field of one of the coordinate axes of this object. Repeat allows you to repeat the last action of this tool. Now let's open the tab with additional settings. Origin allows you to move the anchor points of this tool to a certain level. Manual gizmo position allows you to move the anchor point to any space by the mouse cursor. To finish the action of this panel, press Cancel.